Sauna is big. Sauna's... I mean, lore-wise, we're not really close, but... No, but I do like her. She's really sweet. Like, everyone in Council and the Myth have been really nice, and... you know, whenever it feels like we're lost, the people, the senpais at Myth have been very nice, and they've been telling us like what we could do, and yeah, so I'm really grateful for the guidance. Wait, how did that conversation lead to that? Oh, my brain. Yeah, but I think if you ask the question to the other councils, why can't I talk today? Yeah, but if you ask the same question, I think they would say the same thing, because yeah, they've been a really good fuck! But sometimes just being quiet and listening to this whole tinkling sound and the soundtrack, it's really nice. Yeah, no, the soundtrack in this game, I think the forest has to be one of the best ones. I don't know, I'm kind of a sucker for all the tinkling sounds. What just happened? That's fine. But yeah, no, thank you. Thank you everyone for stopping by as per usual. But next time I will have to ask, how long, can we, like, make the closing session? The closing chat? Don't say, like, you know, oh, 2 hours, no. What's the usual? 24 hours? No. No. Oh, as long as you want. Okay. It's just that, whenever I stare at the screen for too long, I tend to, get a headache. Like, sometimes I do want to spend as much as possible, but usually my max is around 5 hours. So yeah, if it seems like I'm leaving because I want to get out of here as soon as possible, that's not the case, because yeah, so I hope you guys don't take it the wrong way. Okay. I feel sometimes a little guilty, but yeah. But thank you everyone for having fun with me, and I know some people are suggesting to have like slow mode on, but I want to talk to everyone as much as I can, but I know that having slow mode might be a better thing for conversation. I don't know. We'll figure things out along the way. But yeah. Okay. And with that, it's way too fast. Okay, then I'll consider it in the future streams. Okay. Well, hey, what are you gonna say? What's your closing? Kroyasumi. Yes, Kroyasumi. And if it's not nighttime, have a nice rest of the day. Bye-bye.